Welcome back guys. So which AI stock should you be buying? Is it Nvidia, AMD or C3 AI? Let's start with the Nvidia chart over here. Now a lot of people think that this upward move is actually crazy, but let me show you the fib levels and then you can see what is happening. So look at this rejection here from the 1.618 level, perfect rejection. Now the question is what is going to happen next. So let me zoom in and show you what happened recently. This bull flag was there, breakout, retest and pumping again. So actually this retest over here is quite healthy. Now to find out the target levels, one of the basic things is, as you know, this is a bull flag, so we will just extend this from the bottom part and you can see that the first target we are getting is 516, and if I take it from the top part we are talking about roughly 550. Now similar to the fib levels that I showed you just now, let's do the very same thing on this recent move only, and you can see we got rejected from the 1.272. Now 1.618 is sitting at 526, which is falling into the range that we were just talking about. So this can be one of the next targets. As you can see, we are already at 496, so that would mean a pump of only 5 to 6%, and in the best case of 550 we are talking 10-11%. so this is the upside that is possible on Nvidia currently. Now like I always say that we cannot blindly look at the bullish scenario. Talking about some retest, there are two very important levels. First one is the peak in volume over here sitting at 468, and the next one is sitting here 425. So these two levels can come into play, but overall I have shown you the target price that is possible on Nvidia. The other thing to note over here is, look at this, price is making higher, but the RSI is going down, so there is a bearish divergence forming on the daily chart. Let's quickly jump over to the weekly chart and I will show you very same thing happening. Look at this higher high and this extreme bearish divergence that we are getting on this. Hence we are nearing the point from where we might see a good correction in this stock. So keep an eye on the $515 and $550 area as one of the take profits for this move. Now let's move over to AMD stock because there is something very interesting happening over here. So on this weekly chart, let me quickly draw this up because this is very important pattern that has started to develop on AMD. So price is trying to form this wedge now, and as you can see we are getting stuck. We want to see a breakout towards the upside that can take us to new levels. Now similar to Nvidia, if I just copy and paste this and put this over here like so, you are looking at 140 area over here. This can be one of the targets for this upward move. Let's quickly check how much that would be. So an impressive 30% pump is possible on AMD, and if we check with the fib levels, you can see that the 1.27 level is sitting at 141 and the 1.618 is sitting at 152. So yes, very important levels for take profit. Now let's talk about this psychological level of 100 because this has been extremely important. A lot of action here. Look at all this rejection and now coming back down to find support, and hopefully we see a nice bounce from here. But yes, overall very bullish development on the weekly, so there is a nice chance towards the upside of roughly 30%. Also look at this higher low that the market is making, but the RSI is making a lower low, so we are getting this bullish divergence on AMD. So this is all on the weekly chart. Now let's quickly jump into the daily and see if we can spot something else. So if I draw a trend line like this, so very nice bounce from here, then over here and again over here. So a lot of confluences telling us that this can be one of the important levels from where the market is bounced. Hopefully we go back towards the upside and continue towards the $150 area that I was talking about. On the daily we have seen that the crossover of moving averages has happened, so this is also another bullish sign. Now the thing to be careful of, this peak in volume over here at roughly $85, so there is a chance if the price breaks towards the downside, there is a chance we might just go and hit this level and try to bounce from here. So this sort of retest is possible. Also let's just quickly map out the fib levels from the recent lows to the recent highs, and you can see that the 618, which is the gold zone, is sitting right in the middle of this volume area at $84. So there is a chance that this might get tested, but for now we are testing the 0.382 level sitting at $102, and hopefully hopefully we pump towards the upside. Now finally let's take a look at C3.ai, and on this daily chart we are seeing that the price is trying to form this trend line. So either we can go down straight away towards $27-26, or the price will just keep consolidating and then hit this level at around $28-30 and try to bounce from here. This is something that is possible, but if I just zoom out a little bit and I want to show you, there are actually just two levels of volume that are very important. First one at $40 from where we saw all this rejection recently, and the next level is around $22-23 where this huge volume is available. So there is a chance if there's a breakdown we might just dip into this area and then try to bounce back up. Now on this daily chart we are seeing that the crossover is happening, so that is a good sign, but we want to maintain the upward momentum towards the $40 area that I was talking about. Once again, if I check the fib level, so the recent move got rejected from the 1.618 level and we are actually testing the gold zone at $28. That is from where the price is trying to bounce. So actually this is a very good retest that is happening currently, and as you can see that the earnings are not very far on 6th September. So if they are good, quite the chance we might pump straight towards the $40 area. That would give us a gain of roughly 25%. So in my personal opinion, I think out of these three, AMD is the one which has the best setup currently, and looks like if we have a good breakout we can go to the 140 area, which is a very healthy gain of roughly 30-35%. So yes, I will keep my eye on a breakout of this level and hopefully try to enter if I see a proper breakout. But do let me know what are your thoughts and what are your plans. What do you think about these three stocks? Which one are you planning to buy, or you will just wait for the price to hit lower levels and then you will enter? Do let us know. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hit the bell notification so you are notified whenever we upload a new video. Our previous analysis videos are on your screen. If you wish, you can click and watch those. And in the last, just a gentle reminder, markets are extremely volatile. If you are actively trading, please consider using proper risk management. Thank you for watching.